Hello students, welcome back. I am Ingesar, a mathematics teacher at Lux School of Science. Today we'll start with exercise 7.1 of 7th chapter, that is permutation and combination. In our last video lectures, we have seen some basics. We have studied the meaning of permutation, combination. We have just taken some general examples. Okay, today we'll start with exercise 7.1. So let's start. First question. How many three digits number can be formed using 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? First, if repetition is allowed, and second, if repetition is not allowed. Okay, so let's solve the first one. Now, how many numbers we have? How many digits? One, 2, 3, 4, and so total five numbers. I have in total five numbers. Now, what is the question? Three digits number. So I have to place one, two, three. Clear? Now, first, what is the condition for a three digit number? Okay, you cannot place 0 at this place. At the first place, we cannot put 0, but we are not having 0, right? So it doesn't matter, right? So now there is no condition. Only one thing, that repetition is allowed, means we can repeat the number. So if I want to fill this first place, how many options I have? How many possibilities? I can put 1, I can put 2, I can put 3, I can put 4, or I can put 5. So I am having 5 possibilities. So I will write down here 5 possibilities. Okay. Now let's take, I have selected any one number from this and filled here. Cross means this place is filled. Clear? Now, this is the first one of first. For the second place, okay, now when I'm thinking about this place, now how many options I have? Let's say if I put here 2, can I put it here 2 once again? Yes. Why? Repetition is allowed. Means you can repeat any number from this twice or thrice. Right? So again, I have five options. I can put any one from these five. So I'm having five possibilities. So let's take, I have also placed this place. I have filled this place. Now for the third option. Okay, again, how many? I can repeat it. So again, I can put any number from these five. So here also I am having five possibilities. So the total is 5 into 5 into 5, 125 numbers. Okay, so I can form 125 numbers using 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of 3 digits when repetition is allowed. Yeah. Now let's move to the second one. In second, repetition is not allowed. So for second, again, I have to fill three places because it is a three digit number and I don't have zero, so I can put any one from this at first place. So now let's take first option. When I'm putting any number at this place, how many possibilities I'm having? One, two, three, four, and five possibilities. So I'll write down five. Let's take that I have filled this place. I have selected any one number and put here. Let's say I have selected three and I put here three. Now for this, how many options do I have? Can I place 3 here again? No, because repetition is not allowed. So if I just hide down the 3, I am having 4 options 1, 2, 4, and 5. So I'm having 4 options. See, instead of 3, if I had put here 2, then also I will have 4 options. If I have put 1, then also I'm having 4 options. Right? So I will cancel it. Clear? Now, how will you deal with the next? How many places are filled? 2 places are filled. Means from this 5, 2 numbers are selected. Whichever the 2 numbers are there, you cannot put it here. So 5 minus 2, now I am having 3 options for this place. So I fill that also. So total number 5 into 4, 20 into 3, 60 numbers. Okay, so for the second part, I can form 60 numbers of 3 digit using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when repetition is not allowed. Yeah? So just note down question number 1. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, so what is the next question? How many 3 digits even numbers can be formed using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? If digits can be repeated. Okay, so now again 3 digit. So first, what options I have? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have total of 6 numbers. Okay, I have total 6 numbers. How many digits? 3 digits. So 1, 2, and 3. Clear? Now the condition is even number. Right? So in our last video, I had taught you that what is the condition for even number? For even number, at the units place, there should be even number. Means 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. But here we are not having 8 and 0. So I am not telling that we will put all the 3 numbers, but we have to put any one from these 3 only. Then only it will be even. If I am putting 1, 3, or 5, then this whole 3 digit number will be odd. Clear? So, what is our strategy? First, just check whether there is any condition. In this question, yes, there is a condition that it must be even. So, what is the condition for even? At unit place, there must be even. So, here it's even. So, how many options? 1, 2, and 3. 3 options. Clear? Now, let's say I had put any number here. I already put any one from these 3. Now, what is the second condition? We cannot place 0 here, but 0 is not there. So, it doesn't matter. So, now when I'm trying to put any number here, how many options I have? Right? See, if I put here 4, can I put here 4 back again? Digits can be repeated, means yes. So now I can put all the 6 numbers, any one from all the 6 numbers, because I can use the number here again. So now I am having 6 options. Clear? Now for this place, again I will have 6 options, any one from 6, because I can repeat. So here also 6 option. Yeah. So 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 3, it will be 108 even numbers. So you can form 108 even numbers using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, where the digits can be repeated. Here, so just note down this question. Okay, let's move to the next one. Question number third. Okay, so let's see what is question number three. How many four-letter code can be formed using first 10 letters of English alphabet? Now, first 10 letters of English alphabet means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So how many alphabets? 10 alphabets. I am having, I am given 10 alphabets. And what I have to form? Four-letter code. Okay, so one, two, three, four. Four-letter code. Now see here. If no letter can be repeated, means in that code none of the alphabet will be repeated twice. Okay, means if you are using F, then you can only use once. If you are using A, you can use only once. If you are not using any alphabet, then also it's okay. But if you are using any alphabet, then you can use maximum only once. So now, if I am selecting this blank, if I want to fill this blank, how many options I have? I can put A, I can put B, I can put C, D, E, F, up to J. I am having 10 alphabets, so I can put any one from these 10. So how many options? 10. Now, for this way, see here, no letters can be repeated. So from this 10, I have selected one, which I cannot put here. So how many options I'm having? 10 minus 1? 9. So here it's 9. Now for this place, now see, from this 10 I have selected two different alphabets which I cannot put here. So now 10 minus 2, 8. And similarly, here 10 minus 3, 7. Okay, so the total number, total letters 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So let me calculate it. It's 10 into 9, 90 into 8 into 7. That is 5040 letters. Letter code. I can form 5040 letter codes using the first 10 alphabets if no digits or no letter can be repeated. Now, if the question is such that if you can repeat the letter, then here there are 10 options. Now, when you place here, you can use these ones again. So, again 10 options, again 10 options, and again 10 options. Clear? So at that time, it will 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. That will be 10,000. Okay? So at present, note down question number 3. Now let's move to the next one. That is question number 4. Okay. How many five digits, it's five digits, telephone number can be constructed using digits 0 to 9? That means 0, 1, 2, 3. So how many numbers I have? 10 numbers. Okay. I have 10 numbers from 0, 1, 2 up to 9. Okay. How many digit telephone numbers I want? 5 digits. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, now there are five digits telephone number. Now see, if each number starts with 67 and no digit appear more than once, means every number must start with 67. So these two places are already fixed. Clear? These two places are already fixed. Clear? So now, how many options? Only one. I can put only here 6. How many options? Only one. I can put only one. 7. Now see here it is given that no digit appears more than once. Means I cannot put 6 or 7 at any of these three places. So let's cancel 6 and 7. So now, how many I'm having? 10 minus 2, I'm having 8 numbers. Now, when I'm selecting this place, how many options I can have? 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9. So I am having 8 options. Clear? Now, I had filled any one number from this. So now remaining 10 minus 3 places are filled. 7. So I'm having 7 options for here. 7. Now 4 places are filled and I cannot use these 4 numbers again. So now for this place I am having 6 options. So total how many telephone numbers you can form that begins with 67, 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6. So let's calculate it. 8 into 7 into 6. That's 336 telephone numbers. Clear? So this was about question number 4. Okay, just note down this question. Next is question number 5. Question number 5 is a coin is tossed 3 times and the outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? Now see, a coin is tossed 3 times, so we will have one, two, and three results. Clear? We have to find out the total number of outcomes. So let's say when the coin is tossed for the first time, how many possibilities are there? Either head or tail. So for first toss, I'm having two options, head or tail. Clear? When I'm tossing it for the second time, again two options, head or tail. See, if for the first time it's head, that doesn't mean that second time it won't be head, right? It can be hit again. Even it can be hit for the third time. It can be also tail. So there are only two options. either head or tail. So two options. Similarly, for the third toss, again two options. So 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 raised to 3 equal to 8 outcomes. So when a coin is tossed 3 times, there are 8 possible outcomes. Clear? So note down this one. Okay, let's move to the next one. Question number 6. Okay, given 5 flags of different colors. Okay, we are having 5 flags. All the 5 are of different colors. How many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of 2 flags, one below the other? Means let's say this is one. Okay, this is the one flag below the other. So to form a signal, I require 2 flags. So when I want to select any flag for this, the top one, I am having 5 options, 5 different colors. So here I am having 5 possibilities, right? Now from that 5 flag, I had put one flag here. So remaining 4. So for second position below this one, I am having 4 options. So 4 possibilities. Clear? So total I can form 20 signals using the 5 different color flags, taking 2 flags for the signal. Clear? So note down question number 6. So that's about exercise 7.1. Here we complete exercise 7.1. So that's it for today. In our next video, we will start with exercise 7.2. Thank you.